Hi, how are you?
Hello, very good. And you?
Very well, thanks.
Okay, let's start the interview. What is your name?
My name is María Los Ángeles Valdivieso Mota.
Okay. How old are you?
I am 18 years old.
What is your hometown?
I was born in the city of Neiva.
Where do you live?
I live in Rivera.
Okay. What is your material status? Married, single, divorced, window.
I am single.
Okay. What is your hobby?
I like to exercise and listen to music.
Very good. What is your profession, occupation?
I am a student of health administration.
Tell about your working experience. I have working.
I had working undertaking various facts and surprise details.
Excellent. What is your academic background?
I am studying career in the health administration.
What are your personal qualities?
My personal qualities are honesty, leadership, and responsibility.
What are your skills and weaknesses?
My skills are dedication to work, adapted to changes, and working as a team. My weaknesses is lack of experience.
Okay. What makes you the best candidate for this position, this job?
I am good candidate because I know my skills and it will be highly efficient as it will bring excellent results. I am totally convinced that your company is the right one for my interests and abilities.